Hello everyone, welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, March the 22nd, first day in the spring. Yes, look, the spring. We have here the daily news, and this woman is very happy between the flowers. Yeah, among the flowers. Yes, it's springtime. Yes. Well, let me continue with puzzles, because you are not interested in the daily news, but with the puzzles we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku, and we have also an additional today on Tuesday, 9 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve this one. This one will be number 4292. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Yeah. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle rows on the row below. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then. Okay, 7. Alright, 9. I'm scanning. Well, we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 9 should be there. Cannot continue with the 9. How about 5, 6. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Well, we have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6, 1 box left for the 6 should be there in this column. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 5. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. We have a 7 and 8 in the last row, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. That means here also the 1 and the 3. Okay, so 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, cannot continue here. Let me see. 7. Yeah. 7. Yeah. 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the first column. No 6 in this box. Here 6 in this row. No 6 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6, there 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6, there 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 6. Wait. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this row. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. Well, we have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in this box. Here also a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in that box. Here also a 2 in the row below, so this box cannot be a 2 also. So the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. So 1 box left in this last row for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. Okay, 3, 3. Let me see with the 5, 5, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Wait. Okay. 2, 2. 2, 2. 4, 4, 8, 7. Let me see. 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is the 9 in this column. Well, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here can also not be a 9. We have a 9 there. So the 9 could be here or there in this column. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. Alright. And we have a pair. 3 and a 9 in this column. 3 and a 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 7. All right. 1, 4, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing. We have a 3 here, and a 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 4 and 7, 4 and 7, 4 and 7, 4 and Okay, now 1 and 3 in the 8. 8. I'm thinking 1, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. Look, we have a 4 here in the last column, so no 4 in this box. Here also a 4 in the third column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So the 1 and the 8 are left. Okay, cannot fill this yet or mark them. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next down, the 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 here. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then. How about 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in this row, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the 3rd row, so no 4 in this box. So the 4, oh wait. 4 in this row, 4 in the 2nd row. So the 1st row, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the 3rd column. So the column between the 2nd column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4. 1 box left in the 2nd column for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Okay. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 9 and a 3. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Strange. Yeah, also 1 and the 8. Okay, 3, 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in the 3rd row, the 1 and the 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. And this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great medium. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I solved this in 17 minutes, and I'm pleased with the time. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and we will meet again. Oh, before I leave, yeah, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing more than six weeks. I'm collecting the data. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. We have a 653, 653, the 492, 492, and a 147, 147. All right, here we have the 4 as a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1 pair. All right, great medium, and I like this one. Yes. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and maybe in the evening later on I will continue with the other 5 puzzles. Yeah, 5 puzzles are left in this newspaper and additional. Until then, bye bye for now.